प्रोफेसर रावल, आपको एक आखिरी सवाल इज दैट जो दुर्गापुर जैसे छोटे शहर में आपको क्या लगता है कि रोबोटिक सर्जरी का क्या फ्यूचर है, और यहाँ पर जो सर्जन्स को आपने देखे हैं जैसे डॉक्टर अर्नब या डॉक्टर उर्मी, the other onco surgeons, robotic surgeons, what do you think of them and the team that is overall today? Your experience was in the operation theatre and the infrastructure that is present in the mission hospital in Durgapur.
पहले तो मैं आपको बधाई देना चाहूँगा कि आपने दुर्गापुर जैसी जगह में डाविंची एक्सआई रोबोट लगाया. That's incredible steps which you have taken. Not everybody will do. Even मेरे हॉस्पिटल में मुझे I had to put my foot down to get the robot, और यहाँ आपने वो रोबोट लगाया. दूसरा ये है कि unless it goes to the small city, it is not a the technology is for few only. जैसे कि डाविंची के साथ रहा, और अब दूसरे रोबोट आने पे ये और डेमोक्रेटाइजेशन होगा. लेकिन ऑलरेडी आपने यहाँ पे एक ऐसी जगह पे लगाया जो, और आपका हॉस्पिटल सेटअप देख के मुझे बिल्कुल भी ऐसा नहीं लगा कि मैं राजीव गांधी में नहीं काम कर रहा हूँ. मैं बहुत जगह ऑपरेट करता हूँ इधर ऐसे जाके, तो मुझे कुछ ना कुछ हिच होती है. यहाँ कोई भी हिच नहीं हुई. दूसरा ये आपके यंग सर्जन्स उर्मी है, अर्नब है, और भी जो है दूसरों से बात हुई कि वो दे आर वेरी वेल, दे आर enthusiast for doing these surgeries and picking it up, and the way they assisted me, the way everything had gone in a complicated case. This was a
Very complicated.
quite complicated. They do surgery and all, and but then things went flawless. So I can say that the setup here is like Rajiv Gandhi only. Any setup, any corporate setup is like this, and you are very affordable to the society here. So that's a great work you are doing here, and definitely I see a huge future, because once the things they evolve here, the things which are being done here, people will not go. Rather, people from major city will come to this place. That is going to happen. It has happened in many places in India. Look at the CMC Vellore. It's in a small town. It used to be village. People come from कहाँ से नहीं आते हैं. ऐसे यहाँ पे आपके यहाँ आते हैं और आएंगे और बढ़ेगा ही, because आप जिस तरह मैनेज कर रहे हैं वो बहुत ही बढ़िया है. I really like this place.
थैंक यू वेरी मच सर. एंड डॉक्टर रावल महीने में एक बार ज़रूर आएंगे, पेशेंट देखेंगे और सर्जरी भी करेंगे, रोबोटिक ऑन्को सर्जरी, यूरो ऑन्को सर्जरी एंड जेनिटो यूरिनरी ऑन्को सर्जरी. प्रोफेसर रावल is a big boom to Durgapur, and we are very much thankful to you, sir, that you are coming to Durgapur.
I'm really privileged to be here. It's a nice small town and a very good climate, and it's always better to serve in a place where service has not gone, or they required. Delhi there are a lot of surgeons, but if I'm coming, I'm serving the deserving people, like in my country only. So that's what I always say, that I would have gone to America, but my destiny was written here, and probably we are required more here rather than in America.
Correct.
So now I am required more in Durgapur rather than Delhi also.
Sir, अभी हम लोग we are going to come up with a big onco center, cancer center. I will show you the place when you are going back to the airport, and we would like to have more of you in that future hospital. Sure. And help it to build it from scratch to a big hospital like ours and like yours over there. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.